In this video, let's take a look at simplifying this expression. So this is going to be step number 1. I'm going to say that is 2 to the first times x to the 10th. I'm going to be very clear on the exponents. And all of that raised to the second times x to the negative 7th. Remember, my dots indicated multiplication. Step number 2, you distribute that 2 over to the 1 with multiplication and over to the 10 individually. So you'll have 2 times 1 to the second here, and then times x, like that, and then times x to the negative 7. So I distributed the 2 to the 1 and the 10 individually. I then simplify with an exponents. This is now 2 to the second times x to the 20th times x to the negative 7th. At step number 4, I will have 2 squared, which is 4, times, then this is x to the 20th times x to the negative 7th. You can write that simply as x to the 20 minus 7. And then at step number 5, I will have 4 times x to the 13th once you do 20 minus 7. And therefore, this here would be the final simplified version of the answer. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.